Hello, I am Saurabh sir. In my previous video, I have already discussed the character set and variable. Today I will start my topic from token.
Token means the individual words and punctuation marks are called the token or lexical units or lexical elements. The smallest individual unit in a program or set of instructions is called the token or lexical unit. The Python has a following token. First one is the keyword, second one is the identifier, third one is the literals, and fourth one is the delimitators, and fifth one is the operators.
Our next topic is keyword. Keywords are the words that convey a special meaning to the language compiler or interpreter. Python programming language contains the keyword. The supported keyword for the Python programming languages are: we can write the code import keyword, enter. These are the keywords for the Python programming languages.
The second point is identifier. Identifier are the fundamental building blocks of the program and are used for the general terminology for the names given to the different parts of the program like variables, objects, class, functions, list, dictionaries, etc. There is some rules for naming the identifier. An identifier is an arbitrarily long sequence of letters and digits. The first characters must be a letter. The underscore counts as a letter. Upper and lower case letters are different. All characters are significant. The digits 0 through 9 can be the part of the identifier except for the first character. Identifiers are unlimited in length. An identifier must not be a keyword of a Python. An identifier cannot obtain any special characters except the underscore. According to the definition of the identifier, we or the rules of the identifier, we can write program for checking which one is the valid identifier and which one is the not valid identifier. So here we can write import keyword. Next we can make the function in Python named valid identifier, and within that valid identifier functions we can write return as is the argument of the valid identifier functions, where we can provide the string and we check the that particular string is valid identifier or not. So there is a function is identifier. If the is identifier return true, and we will check the that particular string is keyword or not. If the both condition is true, the then we can say that the identifier name is valid. S dot is identifier and not keyword dot is keyword. In this is identifier function we can check that the rules of the identifier. The another one is the identifier name should not be the keyword name. So the we are checking the that particular string is keyword or not. If that is the not keyword and it will follow the all the conditions of the identifier, then that function will return true. Other than that, it functions will return false. So I am calling the functions within the print statement. We call the function valid identifier, and within the s I am passing the particular string. I am giving the string name for, and we check that the for is valid identifier or not. Though here the functions is returning that the for is not valid identifier, because we later we know about the for is a uh, for is a keyword for making the loop, for loop. And next we I am print the I am giving the another name of the identifier like my file, and this is the valid identifier, it is returning the true. And next I am giving that the underscore my file, it is also returning the true. And next I am giving that the one my file, it is returning the false, because we know that the variable name can contain the digit, but the first letter cannot be the digit, first character cannot be the digit. And next I am taking that the my file 1, and it is returning the true, because the name can contain one or more than one digit, but first character cannot be the digit. So that's why when I am putting the 1 as a first character, it is returning the false variable name. And the anywhere of beyond the first character you can put the digit and it will be the valid variable name. Thank you.